Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and ready. Start by clicking Add New Link. Enter a clear title like Call or Tap to Call, then in the URL field type TEL, plus 15,551,234,567 with no spaces. Use the international format so phones route correctly. Once done, make sure the link type is a standard external link. Linktree treats TEL like any URL. This first step avoids formatting errors and ensures phones will trigger the dialer instead of opening a web. Next, customize how the phone link appears and behaves. Add an icon or emoji so users instantly recognize it. That boosts taps. In link settings, choose Open externally so mobile devices hand off to the dialer. Schedule or hide the link on desktop to avoid confusion. Once you've set label, icon, and settings, preview the link tree on a mobile device. Make sure the entry order reflects priority. Move the phone link higher if you want it tapped first. Finish by saving and testing the public link tree on a real phone. Tap the call link and confirm the dialer appears with the number prefilled. If tapping doesn't initiate a call, double-check that the URL uses TEL, plus followed by digits only. Remove parentheses, dashes, or extra characters. Also make sure the visitor's browser allows link handoff to phone apps. If problems persist, try a different browser or disable any link tracking services that might rewrite the TEL URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.